Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand about RPAD and LPAD in SQL. So these are the padding techniques that are used in SQL. RPAD and LPAD are very similar functions. RPAD allows to pad the right hand side of the column with any set of characters. For example, so what this RPAD will do is, for example, if we are having Vikram and we want to display the names, assume that this is the names column, and this names column we want to pad after each and every name we want to pad with hyphen symbols or any kind of symbols like dot. So whatever the symbol that you are going to use, so we can mention those symbols, and we have to mention the size, the number of characters that are to be padded with, and so everything has to be mentioned in the RPAD function. So this is how the RPAD will look like. LPAD will also do the same thing, but the thing is this Vikram will be aligned to the left, and these dots or hyphens will be will pad to the left hand side of the column. So RPAD, the padding is done to the right hand side, and LPAD, the padding is done to the left hand side, and here the characters will appear. So this is for LPAD. Okay, so that is how the padding can be done by using LPAD and RPAD. So this is the format, the function format for RPAD. RPAD string, or it can be the name of the column, size, number of characters that are to be padded, in the sense including the characters of the names, number of characters in the names, those number of characters will be padded. So the remaining number of characters will get padded. And set, this is the character that we want to set. Okay, so similarly this is for RPAD, LPAD. So this is LPAD, string, size and set, the same function. Let's try to understand this, execute this on our computer and check how the output will get displayed. So let's do it. See here, this is RPAD name 25, and we would like to set the remaining characters with hyphen. So let's see the output. See here, so including the characters, number of characters in the name of the student, after that the remaining characters will get padded with hyphens. And similarly, if you use LPAD, this is how the things will get displayed. And if you don't want to set any character with, by default, if you didn't mention this set, so let's try to see that on LPAD. So if you didn't mention this set option, if we didn't mention this set option, what happens is by default it is going to take space. See here, the spaces will be allocated and the characters will be left aligned, and the size of that characters, in the sense the number of spaces that are allocated including the characters in the word is in the string is mentioned here. It is 25. In our case it is 25. Okay, so this is all about LPAD and RPAD. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.